Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. So today I decided to do a bubble ponytail. Oh my god, it's Christmas guys. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love you guys. So with this bubble ponytail, I divided my hair into two parts. Then I'll start with the upper part, and I always use castor oil, coconut, all together and apply on my hair first. Then guys, I will slick it down with a gel. This time I never used Eco styling gel. I decided to use Soft and Free, and I love it. I love it. I really love it. I'm done with slicking down my hair. So right now, and guys, please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share with your friends, and give your girl a thumbs up. So right now, I'm trying to make my baby hair look a little bit cute. Guys, we made it 2020, we made it 2021. Here we come, new videos, new hairstyles, good things popping. Make sure you click on the notification bell. Whenever I upload my video, you'll be notified guys. So guys, my hair looks good. Oh my god. Oh. I do love the makeup that I did this time. It was extremely gorgeous. The eyebrows are the best. Oh my god. I look good. So the braid that I used, it's a darling braid. I will put the name of the braid on my description. So guys, look at that makeup. Oh my god. Right now, I will take the braid and apply gel with a little bit of coconut and water. Then I will place it on the small bun. You can place it on the sideways at the front, but make sure it's not at the back. So I'm trying to cover my bun using the braid. Oh my god. Basi mimi wanani. Ay, niambia wanani. Oh my god. I love myself. So guys, let me give you a secret. If you want the hair to have that circle, yeah, the shape to be round and big, you must choose a bun, not the bigger one, a smaller size. Then I also used a rubber band. So guys, this is it for the video. This is all you have to do to achieve the bubble ponytail look. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.